Question number 1. It is given a traffic signal board including indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Okay. Now find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. So you have to use Heron's formula. So first we should find S. S is what? Addition of all the sides divided by 2, isn't it? So 3A by 2. Then area of the triangle by Heron's formula is under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, where A, B, C are the sides. But in this case it is same, that is A. So S is what? 3A by 2. Then 3A by 2 minus A. Then 3A by 2 minus A. 3A by 2 minus A. So it will be, see, 3A by 2 will be same. Then 3A by 2 minus A. If you do cross multiplication, 3A minus 2A by 2, that is A by 2 you will get. That means each bracket will give A by 2. Okay, so there are 3 such brackets. So A by 2 for 3 brackets. Okay, so now what we can write? 3A, how many A are there? So 3A power 4 divided by 8. Okay, 16 we can write. So now square root of 3 is not possible. So root 3. Square root of A power 4 is A square. Square root of 16 is 4. So this is what? Area. So area of this triangle we got as root 3 by 4 A square. This formula is very important. You should remember. This is area of equilateral triangle. Okay. Now in the second part it is given that if perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? So perimeter is 180 is given. Okay. So since perimeter is equal to 180, we know what will be S. See, perimeter means addition of all the 3 sides, isn't it? So 3A is equal to 180. So A is 60 we got here. So this A, if we substitute in this value, we will get the area. So therefore, area of triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into 60 into 60, isn't it? A is what? 60. So from 4 we can cancel here, or from 2 if you want to cancel directly. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. So root 3 into 900, isn't it? So 900 root 3 centimeter square we can write area. Question number 2 is, its triangular side wall of a flyover has been used for advertisement. Okay, so sides are given. Suppose 122, 22 and 120 meter, all are in meter. Now advertisement is yielding an earning of 5,000 per meter per square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. So how much rent did it pay? So now first we will find what area it will occupy. So for that we should find, see here, first we will consider A is 122, B is 22, C is 120. So we will find S value from this. A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 122, 120 plus 22 divided by 2. So which will give 264 divided by 2, that is 132 meter. Now we'll apply area of formula, Heron's formula. Area of triangle square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is what here? 132. Then next 132 minus A. A is what? 122. Then 132 minus B is what? 22. Then 132 minus 120. Okay. So 132. This will give 10. This will give 110. Okay. This will give 12. Now what we will do here? We will split this number into pair of numbers so that we can take common. So 132 we can write 11 into 12, isn't it? And this will be 10. 110 we can write 11 into 10, and then this 12. So see here, 12 has pair, so it will come out of this square one time. Then 11 also has pair, so 11, and then 10 also, isn't it? So 10. So square root of this number will be this. So this we can write 132 into 10, that means 1320 meter square. So this is area. Okay. Now it is given that 5,000 rupees per meter square per year that company is earning. So we should find for 3 months. So what we will do, we will find for 1 month first. So for 1 year total earning is 5,000 rupees, isn't it? But 1 year means 12 months, so that is for 12 months 5,000. Therefore for 1 month it will be, for 1 month 5,000 by 12, isn't it? But we should know for 3 months, so therefore for 3 months means we should multiply. So 3 into 5,000 by 12. So 5,000 divided by 4 will come. Okay. This much is amount or rent paid by the company for 1 meter square. This amount is for 1 meter square. But we got here this much meter square area. So rent for 1320 meter square will be this amount divided by 4 into this. Okay. So from 4 we can cancel. 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 330. So 4 zeros will come. Then 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 15 and 16. So this much amount company has to pay for 3 months. Question number 3. There is a slide in a park. One of its slide wall has been painted. Okay. So now side of the walls are given 6, 11 and 15. So we should find the area painted in color. So A is suppose 11, B is 15 and C is 6. So area of this triangle we should find. So first for that we should find S, A plus B plus C by 2. So 11 plus 15 plus 6 by 2. So this will give 32 by 2, that is 16 meter. Okay. Now area of triangle wall we can say, or triangle, given by the formula S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So now we'll substitute the value here. S is 16 now. So 16 minus 11, 16 minus 15, 16 minus 6. So 16 minus 11 means 5 will come. 16 minus 15 means 1, and this will give 10. So 16 into 5, this 10 we can write 5 into 2. Now 16 has a square root 4, 5 has a pair, so we can write once. Root 2 doesn't have pair, so that we should write as it is. So 20 root 2 meter square is the required area. Question number 4. Find the area of the triangle, two sides of which are 18 and 10 and perimeter is 42. Means two sides given means A is 18 and B is 10. Okay. And perimeter is given 42. We know addition of all the sides gives perimeter, isn't it? So what we will write, perimeter is A plus B plus C, and let the third side be C. Okay, C is not known here. So 42, A is 18, B is 10. So C we can find 42 minus 28, isn't it? So that will be 14 centimeter. So now after this we should find S. S is what? A plus B plus C by 2. So if you observe, numerator is nothing but perimeter. That we can write directly, 42 by 2. So answer is 21 centimeter. Now we will apply formula area of the triangle given by formula S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is what? 21. 21 minus A is 18. 21 minus B is 10. 21 minus C we got 14 here. So 21 minus 18 means 3. 21 minus 10 means 11. And this will give 7. Okay. So now see, this 21 we can write 7 into 3. 3 into 11 will be same. And 7. See, 7 has pair, it will come out. 3 has pair, it will come out. 11 doesn't have any pair, so it will be in square root. So 21 is square root of 11 centimeter square is the area of the triangle.